One of these days I gotta finish that 71. Looks like I gotta repair it first now. Well, like I said, one of these days I gotta finish this engine. I think an axle slid. Oh, no, I see what's going on. Master link. See that link down there that's showing a little more shaft than it should? Yeah, that one right there. That's damaged. I've got to get the chain repair tool and fix that before it self-destructs completely. First thing to do is kill the power. Pull the key out. That way it's not on. Just to be extra safe, unplug the traction motor. Now if somebody turns it on while I'm working on it, which is unlikely, it won't go anywhere. Now I'll get an Allen wrench, I'll take the motor off, I'll pop this chain out a little bit and get the chain repair kit, the chain repair tool rather, in here and do the repairs to this this chain link if I can. We shall see. That's stuck pretty good. There we go. Do it this way. Problem is with the chain, you lift up one end, the other end falls to the ground. You need two sets of hands to do anything. And the thing's constantly rolling on you. For some reason, I'm smelling hydrogen sulfide. So I'm going to look and see what battery is trying to self-destruct now. A little less tension on that. That's about right. Yeah. Let's see what it does. Oh yes, now the other thing I've got to do, I've got to shift the axle on this, so I'm going to tip this thing up on its side, or something. That's where it needs to be. We have condensation under here. I hope that's condensation and not battery acid. Clear, so it doesn't look like battery acid. Battery acid's a little bit yellow because of the sulfur in it. So I think that's just condensation, so I think we're safe there. Yeah, I've got the same here, so it's definitely condensation.
So we're gonna tip it toward me as I go.
Yeah, I'm gonna tip it towards you. Yeah, this is looking more like a Facebook video by the minute. So I promise we'll only waste 45 minutes of your time.
Till it's done.
Till it's done. 1/8 inch T handle. So much easier this way.
I saw you were pulling out a jack. I was like, "Whoa, my goodness!"
Yeah.
It's business. Yeah.
Ow.
Did you just break the Allen key?
We'll pretend that didn't happen. I may need to go to Harbor Freight.
Do you need a stronger tool?
I think so.
I have wrenches in my car. And Allen's.
I need a 1/8 inch Allen key.
Did you seriously snap that off?
I didn't snap it, but I stripped it.
Oh, you did? Okay.
So, yeah.
I mean, it wouldn't surprise me if you snapped an Allen, especially if it came from Harbor Freight.
Yeah.
They're good enough for the job tools, where a job is a small number.
Tighten that up. Get the other axle while I'm at it. Might as well, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's starting to shift too, so.
Preventative maintenance on the Brook Railroad?
It does happen. It's just not often on camera. That stung. But it only slipped, so, well, we'll keep going. Okay, that's done. I'm wrecking things now. So, time to cut this off on the grinder and start over fresh with a new piece of blade. That's why they're so long. Okay, well, let's see.
Never occurred to me, actually.
What, grind them down?
That they're that long because they expect you to grind them down.
Yeah, you grind them down when you spoil the edge. You spoil the end of those long Allen T handles. You
Grind it and make it
you
new.
just grind it down, make it new again. All those old machine shop tricks you learn. Can't go to the tool room every time you wreck a tool. Alright. Hey, we're actually on the rails. Wow.
First try?
First try.
Woo.
Don't expect that to happen again.
No.
Well, time to put the batteries back in.
Oh, jeez.
Avengers Reassembled. Ugh.
Is that backward? Or do your batteries go with the terminals that direction?
They go that way.
Maybe they want to go that way, don't they?
Hmm? What?
I'm drawing a blank. I need to play with my locomotive more.
Yeah.
I think that's what I'm learning here.
Yeah. Yours could be set up backwards too.
No, I think the way you've got it there is right. It's very possible to install it backwards from time to time.
Electronics?
The wiring harness helps you remind yourself because you're like, this isn't long enough or this is too long.
Exactly.
That's why it's so nice to have everything the right length.
Charge port. Traction motor. Wiring harness. Look how nicely everything just fits in place.
Where does your charger connect? Oh, nice. Yeah, I gotta do that on mine.
This plugs in right there.
Yeah, mine is still vaporized from the one time it hit the other terminal on the battery while it was still connected. Some of these days I'll remember to fix that.
Anderson power poles.
That's what it should have had.
I wasn't using them yet.
Yeah.
I'll put yours together. We could change that.
I intend to.
I had the parts.
Oh, you want to do it now? We can do it here. Actually, I did bring the charger with me. I wasn't sure how well the batteries would do in the cold, considering they've been sitting in the basement for 3 months.
I'll just cinch that down and tight. Finger tight it for now. It'll be fine. I promise it won't fall off, ever. It promises never to fall off.
In Aaron's next video.
And in my next video, we retighten everything that fell off.
Oh, that reminds me, I gotta check the bottom of the locomotive. I found a bolt on the ground.
Oh. That's never a good thing.
Yeah. Or maybe it came from the black car, I'm not sure.
No.
One of the cars in my fleet has left a bolt.
Oh. Now this is the hardest part of the whole process. Finding where you put the key. The easiest part is sticking the key in the thing though. So.
It does have a hole. It's almost like it's designed to have a lanyard or a keyring on it.
Yeah. We has juice. We has juice. 25.72 volts.
Nice.
130 watt hours of energy. Haven't consumed anything, so I'm not sure how it's coming up with that, but okay. Well, just go with it. It will be fine.
Well, the device itself draws power, so if it's assuming that the power draw is just that of the device.
Well, that's possible.
Watt hours implies capacity, though.
Yes, it does. She's alive! Cue the thunder and lightning bolt scene from Bride of Frankenstein. Well, I hope you enjoyed this attempt at a video fixing the 71 here. Just little stuff that you got to do every now and then. Well, little stuff that I got to do every now and then, because this is a test bed and there's a lot of stuff that doesn't make it into a production model on this. Little things that I do on production models that I haven't done on this, because I want to see what's going to take to break it. And then I want to see what it's going to take to keep it from breaking in that way. So it's a test bed. That's exactly what it is, and that's exactly what you're witnessing. Me fixing a test bed. Test mule, I guess you'd call it in the automotive industry. Now you got to figure out where the weak points are, and then strengthen those points. In this case, the weak point is those grub screws on the axle. So I'll figure out something with that. Maybe some light Loctite or something to hold them in place. A little 680, a little dab will do it. Then you just have to remove a little bit of heat up the axle. It'll come right off. I don't know. Maybe something else. Maybe a little Loctite retaining compound on the screws themselves. We'll figure it out, but we'll figure that out another day. Thanks for watching today's video. If you did enjoy it, hit that thumbs up button. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And join us over on Patreon, patreon.com/MillbrookRailroad, or you can become a channel member. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.